Hello everybody, this is Scott Marshall. I'm back in long hair mode and I make videos using subtle energy technology and do meditations. And I'd like to do a meditation today with Silent Solfeggio 6. And I got that running. This is the silent audio. And I'm going to put that over here. And we're going to start with the breath. Making contact with the breath, the in and out breath. Letting ourselves deepen and expand with the breath. See if we can right now let tension go. And now we're going to start at the base of our body, at the base of our spine, and breathe directly in and out at the base of the spine. And on the in-breath in, calm, peaceful, loving energy into the base of the spine. And on the out-breath out, letting go of any tension at the base of the spine. If there's any encounter of any tension or pain, we're going to simply breathe gently into the pain, allowing it to be, and on the out breath, relaxing around it. Inhaling deeply and exhaling completely. Now gently moving up the central channel of the spine to where the belly button is, breathing into that area. Calm, peaceful, loving energy into that area, letting go of tension on the out breath out. Allowing that area to relax on the out breath. Encountering any tension or pain or difficulty, breathing into that. Allowing it to be on the in-breath. And on the out-breath out, letting it go. And now moving up the spine, along the central channel to the area right below the rib cage, right at the solar plexus. I'm going to be breathing in and out of that area. And on the in-breath in, calm, peaceful, loving energy into the solar plexus area. And the out-breath out, letting go of any tension. Breathing into any difficulty, any pain there, allowing it to be on the in-breath in. And on the out-breath out, letting go. All at your own pace. And now gently moving up the central channel to the heart space right in the center of the chest, along the spine. And imagine as though you're breathing directly in and out of this area. And on the in-breath in, calm, peaceful, loving energy in. On the out-breath out, letting go. Countering any difficulty or pain in the heart, simply breathing into the pain, allowing it to be. And on the out-breath out, letting go. And now moving up the central channel to the space along the central channel and spine around the throat. And imagine as though you're breathing directly in and out of the throat. And on the in-breath in, calm, peaceful, loving energy into the throat space. Any clearing needed. And on the out-breath out, letting go. Any tension. Calm, peaceful, loving energy into the throat space. And letting go on the out-breath out. Encountering any pain, difficulty, pressure. Breathing in, allowing it to be. And on the out-breath out, letting go. And now moving up to the center of the head, third eye space. And on the in-breath in, breathing calm, peaceful, loving energy into the pineal gland, third eye space. And out-breath out, letting go. Calm, peaceful, loving energy into the center of the brain. Breath out, releasing. Encountering any difficulty, pain, or pressure on the in-breath in, allowing it to be. And then the out-breath out, letting go. And now bringing your attention up to the top of the head, to the crown. And imagine as though you're breathing directly in and out of the crown. And on the in-breath in, calm, peaceful, loving energy into the crown. And on the out-breath out, letting go. Encountering any difficulty, pain, or pressure on the in-breath in, allowing it to be. And on the out-breath out, letting it go. Taking a couple more deep breaths in and out. Feeling your body's contact with the earth underneath you, supporting you. Gently coming back into the space. Bringing both hands over your heart, palms together. Feeling big love and gratitude in every cell of your being. Thank you. I hope you feel expanded as I do, and have a great rest of the day.